So friends, we can also create interface. We can also use the interface as a variable, as an object reference variable. Although we can, if we use it, we can only implement the methods available in that particular interface. So for example, here in the test class, let me try to use this friend interface as an object reference variable. So here what you can do, you can use here the friend, and here you can see this is an interface, but we are using it as a instance variable, the object reference variable. Yeah, this is possible. But what we can do with this particular interface, because it's just a virtual, it's just a collection of abstract method. So that means if you're creating an instance of the interface, if you're creating an object reference variable of an interface, what you can do, or an instance of a object reference variable of an interface, you can implement the method available here in this friend. And we know only one method available. So that means to implement it, we need to create a class. And we are doing it here means in case of person, we are creating a class and then implementing it the same we are doing with the employee. So here what you can do, you can create an anonymous inner class. So anonymous inner class are the classes with a no name, and you can implement and use it anywhere within a method, outside the method. So here I will type new and control space. It will automatically ask you to create an friend anonymous inner type. So now you can see here in this particular class, okay, with a no name, we are implementing the method and interface method that is add friend. So this is how you can do it. Let's say system.out.println, and here I will say here friend added, that is f_n. And now you can call this particular method by using friends object dot add friend. Let's say I'm just adding here Girish. And now when you run it, my friend, it will run. And this is how you can use interface as an object by creating an anonymous inner type. Okay, as you can see, this is possible. So can we create an object of the interface by using the class? See, friends, and here I'm going to use new person, like this. So as you can see, wait a minute, let me use fr. Okay, see, this is not possible. Can we use vice versa? Because person implements the friend interface, person, and here if I use friends, see, this is not possible. This is not possible. Why? Because it says, okay, you need to change a person to something else. So you can use a instance variable of a friend, okay, of an instance variable, and you can directly implement that interface by creating its object.